Hi guys, test remote control for DC motor with phone. Have a question, ask me in the comment. Please subscribe my channel. Driver, ESP, source voltage, testings. Turn on the read line, read LED, read LED. Turn on Wi-Fi on in the phone. Wi-Fi on in the phone. Searchings Wi-Fi. Mxengineer. Password 11112222. Connecting Mxengineer. You can change username and password in the coding. Download diagram and code inside Mxengineer. Download file, change name Mxengineer and password. Connect the Wi-Fi. Open the browser. IP. IP in the address bar browser. Go. Turn on reload the remote control. Turn on. Turn off. Speed control. Speed motor. Turn on. Turn on two motors. Speeds. Turn on. Turn off. Turn on. Slow and speed. Turn off. Turn on two motors. Speed motor. Have a question, ask me in the comment. Please subscribe my channel. Download code and diagram wires in driver and ESP in this file, in this site. Download in this site www.mxengineer.com. download file. Have a question, ask me in the comment. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.